Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So this is my dry cabinet and I keep all my camera body and lenses in it. So in this video I'm going to share some reasons why every photographer or cinematographer should use dry cabinet in places where humidity could be an issue. Now first of all, how you will know what's the humidity where you stay? So the most simple way is just ask Google. What's the humidity today?
The humidity today in Chandanagar is predicted to be 71%.
If it's more than 55 to 60%, it's harmful to your camera gear in the long run. So in this kind of situations, whenever you are not using your camera, you need to keep it in a dry cabinet. So what it does is actually draws all the humidity from the cavity, so you don't have any chances to grow fungus on your camera body and lenses. And believe me, if you got a fungus on your lens, that's not easy to deal with, also not cheap. And the ideal humidity for your camera and lenses is within the range of 40 to 50%. So here's I'm using an Andbon 30l dry cabinet, which used to be enough for my gears, but now I'm thinking about getting a bigger one. So in terms of technology, the dry cabinet is a really simple thing. So you have a display to show you all the details and readings with a clear glass front, and when you close it properly, it's completely air sealed. And here is the actual machine. So this little part draws all the humidity from this whole cavity, and here you have a control knob, and you need to adjust it accordingly to your brand's instruction to keep the humidity around 40 to 50%. So the way you use it is very simple. Whenever you don't have a plan to use your camera and lenses, clean it with a soft microfiber cloth or a blower to remove all the dust or any dark particle from your gear. Then you lay out all the gears as you want in the dry cabinet. And just turn it on, and yeah, you are good to go. And now you have the humidity in the dry cabinet same as outside, and it will start pulling all the humidity from the cavity. So after some time you will see the humidity reached around what limit you have set, and just leave it like that. Your camera is now safe. By the way, one single tip: don't make it too much lower. That's not good for your lenses as well. The lower humidity also affects the glasses and the mechanics, so keep it around 40 to 50%. That's the best range. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys find it helpful, and if you have any question or suggestion, please let me know in the comment section down below. And also, if you like the video, please like, comment and share it with your friends. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.